Welcome to Interlibrary Loans 101. Before we get into this topic today, I'd like to cover some basic terminology you might not be familiar with. SCLIN stands for South Carolina Library Evergreen Network Delivery System, and ILL stands for Interlibrary Loan. This is important to understand because interlibrary loan is something that we use when we can't get something through SCLINs. So what is SCLINs? SCLINs is a group of libraries in South Carolina that have agreed to share their library items with each other through a courier service. York County Library is part of SCLINs. What is an ILL? Interlibrary loans are borrowed library materials from outside of SCLIN's consortium. York County Library also shares its items through ILL. When should you place an ILL request? If you cannot find the item you're looking for in the library catalog, or you can't find the item you're looking for in the format you require, an ILL request might be the next step. If you also do not need the item quickly, then an ILL request would work well. ILL requests can take between 2 to 6 weeks to arrive at the library and be available for checkout. Who can place an ILL request? Any York County Library cardholder who is 18 years of age or older, does not have an expired account, and does not already have 5 active ILL requests, including checked out items. What can you place an ILL request for? Any of the items listed below can be requested, but you do have to make sure that this item has been available or published for 6 or more months. We can put in requests for print books, DVDs, audiobooks and CDs, copies of journal articles, and also microfilm reels or copies from microfilm. If you have a question about if you can borrow something, just let us know. There are some items that might be more difficult to acquire. Lending libraries are not obligated to share their items with us, and we are not obligated to share every item with other libraries. Rare or fragile items might not be borrowable. So where does your ILL come from? Well, ILL requests can come from any of the 50 U.S. states. The ILL system allows for libraries across America to decide if they want to share their collections and benefit from the collections of other libraries choosing to share their items. It truly is a wonderful option. So let's say that I am looking for an item in the catalog. For this example, I'm going to be looking for a book called Jillian by Hallie Butler. I've gone to our SCLINs catalog, typed in Jillian in title and author Hallie Butler, and I can't find anything. So I'm going to go and refine my search. I'm going to take out the title and just see what books are available by Hallie Butler. And it looks like there's just one available. So now I know we can't get it through the catalog. I'm going to go to yclibrary.org, hover over the Services menu option at the top, and click on Interlibrary Loans. In the first paragraph, there is a link for ILL request form. I am going to click on that, and this will bring up a form. At the top are some important reminders about who can request ILLs and what can be requested, as well as some contact information in case you have more questions. I'm going to fill in my name, my library card number. I'm also going to be filling out the contact information, phone number and email, so that if there is an issue with borrowing it, or if there is a change to a due date, if there is a renewal, the librarian can contact me to make sure you have this up to date in this form and also on your account. I can select which library branch I want the ILL to be delivered to. I'll put in the title for the item, the author. I'm going to select the format I would like it to be in. For this one, I just want a regular print item. If I needed a particular edition or volume, or if I were requesting an article, I could place that information here in these next 3 fields. I just want to let the librarian looking at the request know I couldn't find it in the catalog, so I'm putting that in the additional information area. And the last option is for staff to put their initials, but since I'm not staff at this time, I'm going to put NA and submit it. Now if I put my request in and I have questions, I can go back to the Interlibrary loan page and find the contact information there. If you have any more questions about interlibrary loans, put them in the comment section below or call your local branch today.